Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we share simple homestead life including poultry keeping, gardening, farming, landscaping and everyday activities in both urban and off-grid homestead. Welcome back to the homestead. Today I'm taking you along as we visit my off-grid farm to check on the progress of different projects and crops. The first task of the day is planting potatoes. Potatoes are an important food crop on the farm, and planting them properly helps ensure a healthy harvest in the month ahead. We made sure we prepared the soil carefully and spacing the seed potatoes well to give them enough room to grow. Actually, it was very dry compared to the last time I was there. Remember when I was making the fence, when we were working on the compound chain link and all that. This now the second time I'm coming back again. Since last time I didn't get a chance to plant due to the time limit that I had, so I came back again so that I can plant. And I found the place very dry, but with the Irish potatoes,
I know, right? Her head is so big.
They are not much affected.
When she was small, her head
we
was
always
smaller
plant
than
them
mine.
even when it is dry, because they take like 3 weeks to 4 weeks to germinate, so they are not going to be affected as much. Cannot compare with the maize. So let us plant and wait and see how they will progress and germinate. After that, I head over to check on my cow. Livestock are an important part of the homestead, providing manure, milk, meat, and especially manure for the farm, and contributing to a sustainable lifestyle. It's always rewarding to see the animals healthy and thriving. Actually, those who have watched my last video, I was building this shed and my cow is happy, very happy in her new shed. Soon we'll be bringing more cows because the space is enough for almost 3 to 4 more. Though she's in calf and I want her to have enough space and enjoy. This is the right time to take care of the cow when she's in calf. Give her enough calcium, enough balanced diet food, and enough rest, so that during birth she will not have problems at that time. She must have enough strength to sustain to that time. Let us pray for her. She's due in November, if I'm not wrong. I'll check the records and confirm, but by November she should be due. I'm crossing my fingers and praying for a good, healthy cow till that time. Right now we are feeding her with the napier grass. We add some molasses and some dry matter, and she likes it so much, very, very much. Let me know in the comment section how you're feeding your cows, especially when she's in calf. How do you take care of your cow? Please let me know. We had also planted maize. And I was excited and surprised how tall they'd grown despite the drought. I inspected the maize field. The maize is making good progress, and I'm checking for healthy growth, signs of pest, and whether the plants have enough nutrients. This is my fence, looking nice. Actually, I'm preparing this place so that I can transfer my kayapa to the outside fence. Remember when we did the fence, the kayapa was inside, but now we're just waiting for the rains, and then we transfer them to the outer side of the fence. Because remember, this is for security, and we need the fence outside. The kayapa should be outside the fence. We had some few potatoes that we integrated with the maize, and we harvested them like 2 days before. I'll be showing them to you. Now the maize is doing very well. They have enough space for the sunshine to penetrate. But we still have some beans also that we had planted, and they are doing very, very well. Just waiting for the rains, but they are very, very healthy. If you are in Kenya, please let me know, how is your maize field? Are they almost ready? Because I know the planting seasons are not the same. There are those who are already with their maize almost ready for roasting and boiling. There are those who are still weeding. There are those who have already harvested beans, especially people from Western and Nyanza. They have already harvested their beans. and kept them in their stores. While here we still have beans in our farms, not yet ready. So we have different seasons of planting and harvesting. Depending on where you are, actually it's different, very, very different. Those who plant 2 seasons will be planting by August, while here we will now be harvesting our beans. So you can see there's a big difference. But we complement each other. Those who are harvesting beans can sell to us because we don't have beans. And those who have already maize can also sell to us. And then while our ours will be ready, they will be getting from us also. So that is how we complement each other. This one is red. Let me check the One of the highlights of today's visit is checking on the growing potato farm. It's exciting to see the plants developing and covering the field with lush green growth. Healthy potato plants are a sign that the hard work put into land preparation and planting is paying off. Some are almost ready because we plant them on intervals, not at the same time. So there are those which are almost ready to be harvested. Some are still flowering and some are still 2-month-old.
Wow.
But because we don't have rains at the moment, there's nothing we can do. We have to wait for the rains.
Just still small. It's going to be a good one here.
It was so hot, very, very hot. But I had to check all over the place, to check all the field plantation and see how everything was doing. There's some napier grass that was planted when I was away. They only need some rains to germinate. But I know with the napier grass, it's not much affected. The moment it rains, they will sprout. This is called super napier, the one we are using at the farm at the moment. I'm also planning to plant kayapa on my fence, my outer fence, which is along the road, which is quite some work. But I thank God I already have my napier,
they are not eatable.
My kayapa seedlings that I planted at
I'm coming
the
to see
urban
them.
homestead. Just waiting to transport them to this place. Immediately it rains, we will be planting. There were a lot of stamps that were being removed at the moment, but few are still left. We have some that are too big and takes time to remove them, of which I know they are being tackled, and with the time we'll be doing away with them. It is quite some work, but with effort we will do away with the stamps. These Irish potatoes are only 2 months old. They're just crying for rain. And there are these that are flowering. They also need rains. Hopefully soon it will be raining. I'm just praying that it will rain soon, because at this stage they need rains.
Umejidunga? Wapi? Through the gumboot?
Yeah.
Because I told you to wear socks. Ukaacha kwa gari.
But even if I still get dungwad.
No, with socks. At least you'll have saved some place. I'm sorry. Put on. You need to go and put on your socks, okay?
Okay.
Put on. Put on, we go. We go now to the forest. Hi. But thank God you have gumboots. What if they were not there?
I was wearing my socks.
Let's see. You and me, I don't know what they are.
Write in the comments.
Section. What are these?
Write in the comment section and tell us what these are. And if they're edible or not edible.
Okay.
I think they're edible. I have rocks in my shoe.
As you can still see, we still have a lot of stamps that need to be worked on for us to be able to plant the kayapa along the fence. Some have been removed, some are not yet, but we are working on them so that we clear the fence and make it also secure and clean. This is along the road and security is paramount. So it is good to start early so that in 2 to 3 years to come my kayapa will be tall enough so that I can reinforce also with the fencing or with the chain link to secure the land. This is off-grid and you know security is not so good at the area. So this is the right time to work on it before we take full charge at the farm. Later on, we'll think of cameras that will also be enhanced to secure the land properly.
Sprinkle it all over you like salt from the sea. my mind next to the tall peonies. Giving it back to the earth, that's where I got it. I am so lazy, someone should get rid of me. Sizzling way out of here, now I am stranded. Crawling and picking the seeds left in the ground. Skipping the layers of skin over the water. And lifting my head just to see what you'll say now. Your dirty mind gets you in trouble each
It was very, very hot, though the potatoes were still being planted. We are almost finishing.
places that shit.
Very, very hot and dry,
Umekauka.
but my fruits were still
Toka huku
doing
kama
well.
kunakaa hivi. Tena nimerudi.
I also take a walk through the fruit section.
Tunakumbuka kulikuwa kumekauka.
The fruit trees are steadily growing and becoming more established.
Hii jua ya wiki moja ya itanyesha. Nakuru inanyesha. Nakuru ndio inanyesha. Nani alifanya kazi mzuri? Huyu kijana. Unaona alifanya kazi mzuri. Kazi yenye utarudia haraka. Hizo avocado umeanza kuweka maji ama bado? Bado zinastahimili basi. Hazijaisha sana.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
Sendo uchukue socks
It's been
uvae.
way
Tena
too
unapita socks ukiacha huko. Go and take your socks quickly.
If I could lay down
Hii tena
beside
ukisema
you,
vile
I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you,
I check for new leaves, signs of flowering, and overall I see healthy fruits.
We talk on the phone.
Fruit trees require patience, but they are valuable
Love to hear
long-term
your voice.
investment for the homestead.
And I know that
If you have not started planting fruit trees, please start planting now.
way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
My tomato tree was doing very, very well despite the dry season. My farm help has been watering them and they're quite doing well. I can't complain so far. Soon we'll be having some that are ready for eating and enjoying. This is so satisfying that my fruits are almost ready. It's been quite some time. It's been a minute. but here they are.
Hey. Inakosa maji? Kwani
Finally, I take a tour around the compound. A clean and well-maintained compound creates a peaceful and a pleasant environment, and it reflects the care given to the homestead. I enjoy seeing the open spaces, greenery, and the peaceful atmosphere that makes farm life so rewarding. These are some of the shade trees that I'm planting. As soon as we embark on landscaping, everything will look quite green and beautiful. This is just the beginning of the journey. Follow me always. Let us start this journey together. We are now going back to our land, to our soil. Let us not fear. Let us go farming. Let us go off-grid and enjoy fresh foods, fresh milk, green grass, and above all, a peaceful environment. Thank you for joining me on this off-grid homestead visit. If you enjoy farming, gardening, livestock keeping, and rural living, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more homestead updates. For those who have not subscribed, please subscribe, give a comment, let me know what you think about my new compound, my new place. There's a lot to be established, and this is what many people fear, but the moment you start, the sky is not the limit. It was very hot. I could barely see. The scorching sun was too much.
My mind is there that I said I'll give her.
But I had done almost everything. I had seen what I came to see.
And for
Check
me,
on
and for
the
you,
cows,
let's go give
check on
Hannah.
the fields, plant the potatoes, and I think it was worthy coming to the farm.
ulete yako. Sije kunywa chai.
What? she wanted to lick you. Oh, she has a long tongue. When it's painful.
No.
How does it feel?
She's happy I've given her food.
Oh, and
That's why
me.
she's licking me.
And
It's
me.
hard. Itakuguara. It's
Haji,
not soft like the dog one. It's hard.
like the cat one.
Yeah.
If a cat licks you.
Umenichukua sasa?
Yeah.
Thumbnail, Tammy. Thumbnail.
As I told you earlier, we harvested some potatoes from the farm. Here they are. Those who are near my place, you're welcome to have some potatoes. We're picking some seeds to plant later. The rest were for consumption, and some we're going to share with my neighbors who had helped a lot. This is the best thing to do always when you come to the farm. If God gives you a lot of harvest, please share with your neighbors and those who don't have. A lot of my friends are at my urban homestead place. We are going to share the potatoes together. Don't worry, I'll be bringing some for you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you for always passing by. Bye.